LCBS classes from the Luxury Connectivity School, and it was a wonderful experience. I have done a lot of things, and if I talk about the faculties, they all are really nice and very kind, and I don't have any concern about the classes. Like if I have any problem, they have helped me out, and it was a wonderful experience. And if I talk about Abhay sir, he is the best faculty, if I can say, because he teaches so many things which I didn't know earlier. So it was a total amazing experience. I would recommend all to take the classes from this academy. That will help you out to grow in your life and your personal growth as well. That is a wonderful experience. Thank you.